How to inherit 1,000 in ISA saving without paying any tax. You can utilize the additional permitted subscription that is called APS allowance. If your spouse or civil partner pass away, the APS allowance let you inherit their ISA allowance equal to the value of ISA at the date of death. This is in addition your own ISA allowance of 20,000, that is the year 23-24. How it works? 1. Eligibility and timing. The APS allowance is available only to the deceased spouse or civil partners. You must use within 3 years from the date of death or within 182 days of the estate being administered, whichever is later. Number 2, using the APS allowance, you can add the inherited ISA fund to your own ISA without affecting your annual contribution limit. This can be done with a cash ISA, stock and share ISA, or even other type of ISA, depending on the provider's policies regarding APS transfers. Number 3, tax benefit. Fund moved to your ISA using APS allowance retain their tax-free status. This means that any growth, income or withdrawal from these funds remain exempt from income tax, capital gain tax. Number 4, inheritance tax. While the APS allowance allows for tax-efficient inheritance regarding income and capital gains, it does not exempt the ISA from inheritance tax if the deceased estate exceed the inheritance tax threshold. However, the inherited funds continue to be benefit from ISA tax-free growth once it is transferred. Number 5, administration. To use the APS, complete the necessary forms and provide relevant documents like death certificate. Ensure the transfer is completed within the allowable period to maximize the tax benefits. We have uploaded more than 800 videos in our YouTube channel subject related to UK startup, tax and businesses.